Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So in this video, I will show you how to fix if your Microsoft Store is not working or your Microsoft Store is not opening. As you can see, my Microsoft Store is not working. I am trying to open it, but it's not working. So in this video, I will show you some troubleshooting step to fix this issue completely. So let's start with our first step. Check your region and your language. This is our first step. So go to your Windows icon. Then go to settings option. Now click on time and language. Now on the left side, go to region option. So make sure your region and regional format is selected correctly. Okay. And also check for date and time format. So on the left side, click on date and time and make sure your time zone is selected correctly. Okay. So this is our first step. Now move on to our next step. Reset Microsoft Store app. So go to your Windows icon, then go to settings option, then go to apps option. Now you have to search for Microsoft Store. And here you can see the option Microsoft Store. Now click on advanced option. Scroll down. First click on terminate. Now on the reset option, click on reset, then click on reset. So it will reset your Microsoft Store app. Now wait for a few seconds and it's done. Now restart your system and check. So after restart, I will check my Microsoft Store is working or not. And you can see my store is now working fine. And if you're still getting the same issue, now move on to our next step. Open your run command. So simply right click on the Windows icon, then click on run. Now type a command ws reset. Now click on OK. And this process will reset your Microsoft Store. If you are still getting the same issue, now run the troubleshooter. So go to your Windows icon, then click on setting. Now click on update and security. Now on the left side, click on troubleshoot. Now click on additional troubleshooters. Now scroll down and you can see the option Windows Store app. Then click on run troubleshooter. So this option will automatically fix the issue. It will take some time. It will analyze and fix the issue completely. Then restart your system and check. So if you are still facing the same issue, now move on to our next and the final step. We will reinstall the Microsoft Store again. So go to your search bar and type PowerShell. You can see the option of Windows PowerShell. Right click on it, then click on Run as Administrator. Now press enter. Now enter this command. So I will also put this command on description box. So type this command and then press enter and it will reinstall your Microsoft Store again. After that, exit, type exit, then press enter. Now restart your system and check and it will fix your Microsoft Store app issue. So these are some troubleshooting steps you can apply to fix it. So thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.